You are what you eat. Recently, a Burger King restaurant opened in our city, Samarinda. And I always wonder how Burger King is on the same level as its rival. So one day, my mother decided to buy 4 burgers. We took a bite, and man, it's good. However, I don't really like the cheese. I like the cheese better from its rival. Now, when we talk about Burger King, we talk about fat, saturated fat that is, flavor, and fast food. Fast food at its core, delicious and instant. But fast food doesn't have the nutrients that our body need, such as protein, vitamins, and minerals, and etc. Therefore, we need to balance it out with healthy foods, right? So, being healthy means being responsible. The issue is, healthy foods are expensive. Not a lot of people have that kind of money to buy it, but for some people, they have the money and they tend to spend money on expensive stuff, which we're going to talk about later. On the other hand, fast food tends to be cheap. However, we can encounter this issue with consuming local food. Local foods are affordable, better for the environment, and healthier than imported ones. All in all, it's great for our body and the environment. But how can we empower people to eat healthy foods? Well, to begin with, every living or dead entity requires fuel in order to exist and survive. Different types of beings require different types of fuel. Cars needed gasoline, smartphones demand batteries, plants necessitate our sunlight, and we humans require food. Without food, our bodies cannot develop or perform optimally. The organs cease to function correctly, and finally, the body dies. To be healthy, the human body requires a variety of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, fat, protein, fiber, and carbohydrate, or carbs if you want to be fancy. Now let's be honest here, how many times has our mom told us to eat something green? Well, many times, am I correct? Well, the truth is, a study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association in August 2019 discovered that people who follow plant-based eating patterns have a 16% lower risk of developing heart disease. Possibly due to the fact that these type of diets include more heart-healthy fiber and nutrients such as potassium, while limiting the saturated fat and the cholesterol intake. Now, we as humans, our minds are wired to believe that costly is better. Take, for instance, Apple products, particularly iPhones, iPhone 13 mini, the iPhone 13, the Pro and the Pro Max edition. People will always believe that the Pro Max edition is superior since it is more expensive. But upon closer inspection, there isn't much of a difference, and they're just selling them for a really high price. The same way may be implemented with nutritious meals. So then, how can we get people to eat more locally grown foods instead? Well, there are 3 ways that I like to propose. First, create webinars. Of course, we can have a webinar or something like that offline in the midst of a pandemic. As a result, a webinar is really our one and only option. We may put our thoughts into a webinar, and there may be, believe it or not, individuals who want to improve themselves for the better, or people who are interested in the topic that we choose. Second, spread the word. We may share a feed or stories on social media to illustrate to others that local foods are superior. Sure, they won't buy local foods right away, but at least they will have an opportunity to reconsider choosing a better choice for enhancing their healthy lifestyle in a budget. Third, participate in competitions. Some people are eager to share their thoughts about or opinions eating local foods. For example, in this English Week competition, the major focus of theme, specifically in speech, is about healthy foods. This manner we may learn about not just our point of view, but also others. We are not only empowering ourselves, but others as well. In essence, audience, consuming local foods as part of our new healthy lifestyle is, you might as well say, underappreciated right now. Not everyone is aware of it. Therefore, we may accomplish or encounter this in a variety of ways, including creating webinars, posting data about local food on social media, and participating in competitions and listening to others' perspectives. Sure, it may not happen in a single case, but it is a step forward nonetheless. Being healthy means being responsible, because you are what you eat. I think that is all. Thank you.